Okay, let's come over now and look at CL next. So CL yesterday came down. So I've got a very messy, but I guess messy is good. We'd expect messy for a 4. Move down to here. And to make it messier, we spiked underneath this 1.0 and we didn't get to the 764. So bear in mind this 3 here is at minuscule degree, which is the light green labeling. So the 4, we look at the color coded fibs. So it's this 1.0 and this 764 that we're looking for. At the moment, we've come up and hit the 50% retrace of this move down. If this is corrective up, I'd expect a pullback and then a move up to the 764 at 75.98. Then we would actually come down and hit this fib here before. So this 4 may not be in before we get the 5th up to our 78.93 or higher that I'm looking for next in CL. So it's all been so straightforward and simple in CL for a few weeks while we've been in the upside part of the impulse. We're now in the first 4 of any sort of major or significant degree within this structure. Hence, it's getting a little tricky. But again, I would err on looking for long trades only in CL, even with your day trading. We are in the heart of the 3 of 3 up, and I'm expecting much higher, up towards 90.91 ultimately. The 4 may be in. We need to see this pan out and give us the 1 up and 2 back. And at the moment, this isn't looking good. Unless I've got a 1, 2, and then this is a 3, 4 with an extended 5th as a day. It's really messy, is what I'm saying. It looks more corrective than it does impulsive to me. I think it's possibly an A, B, C. For an A wave, we get a B, C, and then we still see the rest of the 4 play out down here in CL. So caution in CL for a day or 2 more until we have it confirmed that we're in the next part of the impulse up. Okay, talking of awkward, let's come over and look at NG. So I'm going to start with the daily chart. And it's spiked up one more time. It's hit this 786. In fact, it's just spiked over it. And the reason I copied Brian's write-up this morning is it was absolutely excellent. And I think he probably said what I want to say, but worded it better. So follow that. We may, if you look at the shorter time frame charts, need one last little spike up to finish this. But it doesn't need to. But 34.11 would be the max I'd expect based on these fibs. And then down, if we can come down and take out 32.43, 32.30, then that starts to suggest that we're tops in. 31.09 would confirm it in NG. And then day trading chart at the moment, we're coming down off the blue line. I want to see it back below the orange line initially. But let's look for 5 down, 3 back, and we can add a futures position to the short side in NG.